In this video, we are going to show you how to buy TikTok coins using PayPal. Now, here's the thing. To recharge your coins, all you need to do is go to your profile on TikTok, tap on the three lines or hamburger icon on the upper right corner like so. Here, tap on balance. And here you can choose how much coins you want to get if you tap on coins here. Right? So for example, we want to tap this one or however much you want. Tap on recharge at the bottom. This is going to open this slide up where you're going to use Google Pay, via Google Play. So as you can see here, we only have, a credit card here. So how do we do this using PayPal? It's quite simple. You need to have PayPal enabled as a payment method on your Google Play or Google Pay account. So I'm going to show you. So this is on your Google Play account, and under payment methods, if we tap on this, as you can see, it says add PayPal. You need to add PayPal. To that, we have a video connecting to that. So once you have PayPal, it's going to pop up on TikTok automatically, right? Gcash is not allowed for some reason, but as you can see, it's the same Visa card. It's blurred, of course, but if you have your PayPal enabled or connected to your Google Play account, it's going to show up on TikTok as well. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.